Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Everything you see here on the table I got for about $20. Want to know how I did it? Come with me. Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, as you know, I put out a video yesterday about the Kroger gift set sale that is going on. You save 50% off on all the gift sets from December 9th through the 11th of 2022. And of course, I put out some deals for you, but I wasn't sure about some prices, but I am coming back with some pretty hot deals you definitely want to check out. I actually did a little mini haul, got about $100 worth of stuff for about 20 bucks, which is completely amazing. I'm going to show you that haul as well as show you the deals and matchups that are happening here at Kroger. So before we get going, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of my videos, and let's check out this haul video plus some extra deals for you.
So we've got these Cremo beard bear, grooming kit kind of thing. It is regularly priced at $15.99. It is 50% off with this sale for these 3 days, $7.99. There is a 5 off 1 digital coupon. You're going to pay $2.99 and then submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It's going to be 99 cents for this. This is an amazing deal.
Big thank you to Leap of Faith for letting us know about this Cremo Distiller's Beard Care Kit. Let me know that it was regularly $7.99, or not regularly, but half off, and there's a $5 coupon. This is where I got this great deal from and went to the store. I'm so excited about this. It's going to make a great Christmas gift for my husband.
I've already posted about this deal, but it's still available. The Axe 3-count ones, regularly priced $16.99. Now, it did go back up to original price for the 50% off. So $8.49 is what you'll pay out of pocket. Get $3 back from Ibotta, and it's going to be just $5.49 for one of these. Think about each one of these products individually, what it would cost to get 3 of them for $5.49. Really great deal here. So guys, I have to let you know what happened with this Axe. I actually submitted my receipt to Fetch, and lo and behold, I actually got $6 back from Fetch. Now, the rebate is supposed to be for Walmart, but it did register, and so this is going to be amazing. So between these being $16.99, they're half off, which is $8.49 each. Getting $3 back from Ibotta and $3 back from Fetch makes it just $2.49 each, and I did get 2 of them. So basically, both of these are under $5, which is crazy. 3 different products in each one for $5. I mean, 6 products for $5. Completely crazy. Really awesome deal here. So we have another really great one here, the Big Soli Click 5. It is regularly priced $10.99, on sale for $5.49. Pay that with that 50% off, and then you're going to get $2 back from Ibotta, making it just $3.49. Really, really awesome deal here. Another great deal, the Big Soli Escape here is $10.99, but 50% off with this 3-day sale, $5.49. Pay that out of pocket and then submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1, and you're going to get these for just $3.49. Completely amazing. Another great one here is this Bit Comfort Hybrid 3. It is regularly priced $10.99, on sale for $5.49. We're going to pay that out of pocket, get 2 back from Ibotta, making it just $3.49. Look at all of those razors there. This is an amazing deal. Even if you don't give it as a gift, it's just a product that you use. It's awesome. we have another really awesome deal here. This EOS Evolution of Smooth. This particular holiday set is $12.99 normal price. It's 50% off with this 3-day sale here. $6.49 is the final cost. Pay that out of pocket, and then you're going to submit to Ibotta for, I think it's 2 bags, so it's going to make it $4.49 for that. Great deal there.
So Holly let us know that there are some stocking stuffers that are EOS that are actually ringing up half off at just $2.99, and they do work with the Ibotta rebate as well. Unfortunately, I was not able to find any of those in my store, and I'm halfway considering going back. If my Ibotta reloads, I'm definitely going to go see if I can find some, because that would be amazing to get them for 99 cents. Also, Gillette Fusion Orange Box gift sets that are half off at $5.49. They have a coupon inside the box for $5 off a Gillette razor that works on the gift set. Not sure how you're going to get the coupon out without buying the product first, but you could actually grab one and then go back and turn around and do it again. So that could be an amazing deal. So thank you so much, Holly, for bringing those deals to our attention.
So this actually wasn't with him. It was back here in the clearance because somebody grabbed it, decided against getting this, but $10.99 regular price. This is just $5.49. I just thought this was a really great deal. There's no extra, ness with it, but I thought this was a really, really awesome deal for 3 soaps for $5.49. That is an amazing price. So guys, I grabbed all of these gift sets for such an amazing price. So as you can see, everything here was half off, plus I had a $5 coupon for that beard. So total retail ends up being $95.93 after the half price sale plus the $5 coupon. It ended up being $42.93 out of pocket. Then I submitted to Ibotta and Fetch and got back $22. So final cost ends up being for all 7 of these gift sets $20.93, which basically equals to be about $2.99 each. That leaves us at a 79% savings. Completely crazy. These are going to make awesome Christmas gifts for everybody in my family. I am so excited. And let me know if you score any of these deals in the comments below.
All right, so let's talk about the comment section. You guys are awesome and amazing. Sharitha Cooper said, thank you. I got 13 gift sets. My store was not tagged. However, she did get $18 back on Ibotta and $6 back on Fetch. That is absolutely amazing. We also have the Texas Southern Picker commented, went and got my gift sets this morning. I wouldn't have done it without having been a viewer of your videos, so thank you. No, thank you for watching. I'm so glad that I can be helpful to anyone. I love the fact that, I can help anybody out, and I'm excited about everybody having such great Christmases this year. Next, we have Vanessa, who commented, thank you, Shana. My store did not have the price tags up at all. I understand that. It was completely crazy when I went the day before. There were no tags, but by the time I got there, now I couldn't go in the morning. I ended up going in the afternoon. There were tags up, but a lot of the products were already cleared. So I'm glad that I was able to get what I could get. Also, Kim Clark replied, thank you so much. I really appreciate you mentioning this deal. No problem, Kim. I know a lot of people were excited to know about this, on Friday and not accidentally stumble into it on Sunday with nothing left on the shelves. We had Donna Murphy, who commented, the Playtex Comfort tampons are on mega sale for $6.49. They are on Swagbucks for $12 back on 2, which makes them just 49 cents. I also think there's a checkout 51 to go with this deal, so it could be a freebie and moneymaker to you. So thank you, Donna, for bringing that deal to our attention. I will try to put another mega sale deal video together specifically. Unfortunately, just didn't have the time to do that. We also have Bobby Collins, who commented, Moneymaker Talenti Layers is still available. My Fetch offer keeps extending. $2.99 each with the weekly digital, and then Fetch gave gave her back $397, 75%, and 1,700 points on each. That is amazing. We also have one more comment from Melissa Van Kirk. Make sure you're checking your digital coupons. Philadelphia cream cheese is $1.99 on Mega. There is a 2-on-2 digital. So check your digital coupon. That equals to be $1.98 for 2, or basically 99 cents each. And yeah, cream cheese, especially name brand cream cheese, is not cheap anymore. So thank you, Melissa, for bringing that deal to our attention.